Winter is arguably the most diverse travel season for the United States. Once the holiday season rolls around, everyone feels like they have a million things to do. And while most things on the to-do list are fun, nothing beats a visit to be with loved ones, a getaway to experience some holiday magic, or a vacation away to close the busy season with rest and relaxation. Winter travel is just around the corner, and we'd like to help you plan and prepare for your trip. In this video, we'd like to give you some examples of how you can use your Palmera Vacation Club membership to the fullest while planning your next winter getaway. On your membership dashboard, the Palmera GO page is full of travel inspiration, whether you're wanting to visit Hilton Head Island or somewhere new. Destination highlights and other travel guides were designed with you in mind and can be used as starting points when planning your next vacation. For example, if you're wanting to hit the slopes with your family, take a look at our guide recommending 5 destinations that would be perfect for a ski vacation. If there's a destination highlight for any of the places we mention in our guides, there will always be a link to view it in a new tab for your convenience. Destination highlights give you a brief overview of the city or region, including recommendations of what to do while you're visiting, when you should visit, and where you can find great accommodations that will fit your family perfectly. In this case, let's choose Park City, Utah as our destination for our upcoming trip. Said to have the greatest snow on Earth, Park City is a great pick for that idyllic winter vacation you've been dreaming of. Head to the RCI Exchange on your membership dashboard to use your points to book your Park City accommodations. RCI will give you the option of searching in Park City alone, but it's always a good idea to choose the area selection of whatever destination you search for, so you don't miss out on nearby accommodations. To narrow these results down, start by searching for desired dates and how many bedrooms you'd like and how many guests will be traveling. To find the best deals, apply the 0 to 1,000 points filter to find discounted stays. See something you like? Clicking any of the resort profiles will open up a new tab so you can compare profiles. If you like a resort but can't find your desired dates, add the resort to your favorites and create an ongoing search. For all of you that need a warm weather getaway this winter, we also have a guide for you. The top 5 best warm weather winter travel destinations in the United States and the Caribbean not only highlights 5 destinations that we think would allow you to play in the sun and surf or enjoy a relaxing vacation at your own pace, but offers additional destinations at the very end of the guide. Many of these destinations listed on this guide, such as Orlando, Florida, or Cancun, Mexico, have a ton of resort options listed on the RCI Exchange. But what happens when you don't find the results you're looking for? For example, it looks like there are 2 resorts listed on RCI for St. Augustine, Florida. You may love one of the 2 and book your stay, but if you're wanting more options, use another one of Palmera's 6 Ways to Travel Quest Travel Club. Find an impressive selection of hotels and resorts under the Hotels tab. Quest's search filters make it easy to find the best accommodations for your group, especially when it comes to finding the best deals and desired amenities. Open a hotel's profile to find out more about room types, check-in information, nearby attractions, and read reviews from fellow travelers. And while we're here, we'd like to remind you that regardless if you're booking your stay through RCI or Quest, you can always use your Quest Travel Club membership to book rental cars, flights, as well as fun activities like tours, boat rides, and more. St. Augustine is a perfect place to book a guided tour, be it on a trolley, a boat, or by foot. Explore the surrounding waterways for beautiful views and to see wildlife, search for ghosts, and even experience the local food and beverage scene firsthand with an experienced guide. The Palmera GO page also gives you helpful guides and updates about Hilton Head Island. Prepare for your next trip to the island with festivals, events, and specialty holiday guides, recommended restaurants, activities, and more, along with fun articles that let you learn more about the surrounding Lowcountry and its traditions. If you're looking for a more robust calendar of events, head to the Hilton Head Guest Services website. There, you'll also find current weather information and tide charts. Still need to book your trip back to the island? Palmera's 6 Ways to Travel makes the process incredibly easy. If you'd like to use your points, simply choose the Palmera Resorts option to book your stay at any of the available 4 world-class Palmera resorts. Flexible with your travel dates? Find incredible discounts on week-long stays with Smart Stays. Both a points and cash option, Smart Stays are great for members looking to book a last-minute vacation primarily in shoulder season, making winter a perfect time to book. You'll be given available dates at all 4 resorts within a 45-day window. And you'll be able to keep track of how many smart stays you've booked at the top of the screen, as members are allowed 3 per year. Another excellent way to unlock significant savings on your stays is through the VIP Weeks program. This exclusive cash-only option is perfect for members who are looking to plan additional trips to the island. VIP Weeks are available for booking well in advance, giving you plenty of time to secure your preferred dates. Plus, if you haven't attended a member's update in the last 6 months, you may qualify for an additional discount on your stay. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who want to make the most of their membership and enjoy even more affordable getaways. For more information on how to navigate your member dashboard or book a reservation, watch our helpful training videos that can be found under the Help tab. Happy holidays and safe travels this winter!